Stop what you're doing. Everything you've been told about Italian food is a flat-out lie. From pizza to pasta to cheese, prepare to unlearn everything. Italy's story twists unexpectedly toward America's dairy heartland. War, scarcity, and marketing reshaped what we call Italian. Meet Professor Alberto Grandi, the historian breaking sacred kitchen myths. Even extra virgin legends? Some began as clever post-war improvisations. Tonight, pizza's real timeline, Parmesan's makeover, and Carbonara's wartime origins. First, pizza, the global icon with gritty beginnings. Romance met reality on Naples streets long before postcards. Centuries of tweaks, then a 1950s boom supercharged by migration. Modern craft looks ancient, but much is surprisingly recent. Parmesan once softer, pliable, nothing like today's brittle shards. Compare textures, early curds versus industrial-aged crystal-rich wheels. Across the ocean, Wisconsin refined techniques and scaled production. Styles shifted with technology, trade, and changing palates. Cacio e Pepe, pasta, pecorino, pepper, no eggs required. Wartime rations, bacon and powder, sparked a creamy cousin. That's Carbonara's root, not a prohibition of classics. Parmesan's proteins emulsify fat and water, science behind silkiness. Pepper rains down, flavors bloom. The simplest plates hide complex histories. Recap: pizza's rise, Parmesan's reinvention, Carbonara's battlefield birth. But tradition isn't fraud, it's evolution written in sauce. Celebrate truth, cook boldly, and question delicious myths. Which lie shocked you the most? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe for more edible history, new revelations every week.